Bye.
Bye.
Mom's dropping me off. That's how you know it's serious. I can't go back home until I drive the car. Well, this is the next day, and now we have hangers, and we got to find out why the engine's running like shit. But we're gonna give a sound clip now. Son of a bitch. So we gotta put injectors, drain the fuel, drain coolant, remove intake manifold. It's a lot to do, but I got dropped off, so fingers crossed this is driving back. 10 minutes later, this is what's happening.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Fuck.
Alright, it's about an hour later, but I have to shine some light on some things that we did because there's some differences that we did. We put new injectors in already. So full 85, David's plugging them up. We did an air intake sensor right here. It's typically right here on the M50 intake. Anything else did we do?
Fixed a couple of vacuum leaks.
Yeah, vacuum leak. It should purr like kitty cat, and we're hoping so. Cause up next is road tuning. Oh shit, I gotta drain the gas so we can put E85 in there. Alright, on to that. Alright, we gotta take a second to appreciate this exhaust. This is my $12,000 exhaust setup. $12,000 and what, like 14 hours? Yeah. I didn't really spend $12,000, but voila. Let's just appreciate it real quick.
Charlie.
Alright, on our way, get some corn juice.
First time like it's so far.
First time ever gonna get some corn juice. I'm really gonna be that guy.
Yeah.
It'd be cooler if I had a turbo though.
That's up next.
Up next. Oh, there's two E85 stations?
All of them have it.
Oh shit. The future is now. Let's check the prices
The
though.
price too is pretty good right now.
That's why I want to see the price, because shout out to Biden, shit is outrageous right now. This is what we would put. Fuck. We just put ethanol, see if it starts. It's acting a little weird. This is plugged. It's getting spark, huh?
It's like it's not firing on all of them.
What's up? Do you have a clue what happened? If you made it this far, can you go ahead and like the video? I mean, I'll tell you what happened. David kind of said it right. He said it was firing on a couple cylinders, and that's turned out to be true. Basically, the injectors I bought was fugazi, man. They didn't work. I'm not sure if they're a different voltage or they're just defected. Long story short, don't buy them. Bing. We pulled the injector out to see if they're actually shooting. Like 3 of them were shooting, and then we ended up smacking the other ones, and then they started firing. So just for peace of mind, we took them out. We put the stock ones in, but we bumped up the fuel pressure to like max. So these injectors are like maxed out. So I'm not even pushing the car that much because then it starts running lean. Before I go on my hero's journey, there's like another problem. This car is like a little too low. It's on the floor, the exhaust is so low. Alright, we're gonna test drive this. I'm not too excited because I'm pretty tired. we're just gonna try to get it to like run good so I can go home. That new auto start feature.
Stop start feature.
I wonder if they can see that. Alright, it's pretty late, but we're still wrenching because we're trying to get the E30 home. We just hardwired a fan, so it should just gonna stay on all the time. Raise the car up a little bit, see if we're not gonna rip the exhaust off. And then now it's time to send me on my journey, my hero's journey. See if I can make it home.
I think I'm actually like follow you over the bridge. I just want to see it.
Just over the bridge? Alright, that makes sense. Do you have some more brake fluid? Because the brakes are no more? All gravy. Alright, let's start this journey. Let me show you guys what we're doing with the exhaust, because I don't know if you guys seen it. Yeah, that's not much. What is that, like an inch? 2 inch?
Yeah. It's a lot better than it was before.
Yeah, it's 2 inch off the ground. We'll see.
The pipes are so big, dude.
Yeah, 3 inch piping. Alrighty. Let's go. Thanks, David.
Give us some reps.
Alright, strictly because I love you guys. This is a 3rd gear pull, 3,000 RPM. I know there's still a lot more power the car has. It feels good though. And it sounds good. Yeah, just wanted to do a little pull. Fucking sounds amazing. This 3 inches exhaust. I need to buy new injectors. Okay, enough rambling. Was the car worth it as of right now? No. Alright, and I really appreciate you guys, especially the ones that watch it to the end, man. Much love. A lot of, like, this car kicked my ass today, but honestly, like, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. And E30 will see better days. Just right now, trying to get home, literally limping it. If I come to a stop, this is what happens. Car almost dies. Oh gosh, scrape me. First gear pull. Oh shit. Alright, before I leave you guys, I just have to tell you this one quick story. I had a fire extinguisher just in case shit went south. When I bought this car, I kept this dollar in here forever, and I was like, I'm gonna just keep this dollar friend in here just in case I need it. Well, I think this is the time to use it. Car wash. And you know what's crazy? Today's dollar car wash. So, is it dollar car wash? Fuck, it's $2. Well, I just changed that dollar for no reason. Gonna have to keep 4 quarters in my car forever now. Is there another dollar around here? Oh well.